Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI Z2 and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of those at the same time. And when you see the logo, you can let go. So next thing you will see is the Android with no command. So to get past this, simply hold the power key and press the volume up once, and we're now in recovery mode. Now in this mode you want to use both of your volume keys to navigate, to select the second option called Reboot to Bootloader. And once selected, confirm it with power key. Give it a moment. And there we go. So at the bottom in the super tiny text you can see Fastboot mode, so we're now in the desired mode. So that is how you would boot into it, and if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key till you see the Fastboot mode disappear from the screen. And the device automatically powers back on, so let's give it a moment for it to fully boot back into Android. And you can see we're back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.